Hey, how's it going? So I want to make a video to help people out who are putting a GSR engine in a Honda Civic. This is a 98, but it should be the same from 96 to 2000. So if you have to do your power steering pump, kind of the big thing is, you want to, I wanted to keep my stock power steering lines that came with the Civic, so I don't have to get way in the back there and change things out. And obviously, well, maybe not, it's not so obvious because it's kind of a tricky thing I had to figure out. This power steering is going to say P72, this upper bracket, and it will need to be, I believe the P72 should be the power steering bracket that came with the GSR. And for a GSR, when people say that, that usually means it's like a B18C1, and that should have been out of a 94 Acura Integra. So the power steering pump that was in this engine from the D series engine, it's a whole different animal, and it kind of like rocks front to back, if I remember right. And so obviously you can't hook that up to this engine. Well, there's probably a weird way you could do it, but so you got to take out your D series pump, and the power steering pump on the high pressure line on this has got a really big connector, almost like an, I can't remember how big it is and you can't really see it, but it's about 1 inch big. And so the default power steering pump that comes with the GSR will not work. It looks just like this one, but here it is down here. And the problem is this, everything bolts up, but you can't get the high pressure line from the D series into the B series power steering pump. Also, you can recognize the B series. When you put the bracket on, it slides up and down. It doesn't tilt forward and backwards, and that's to get your belt tension. You just use this wing nut up here, ooh, it's kind of loose, to provide the, you gotta check that, I guess it's kind of loose, put some Loctite or something on it. Anyways, that's how you apply tension to your power steering belt, is by going straight up and down, where again on the D series it rocks back and forth. So, and I think the bottom one didn't really matter, but I believe I have the GSR bottom bracket. So the whole secret to this, basically what this boils down to is the GSR is off of an ODB1 engine. When Honda went to ODB2, they made a beefier line here, or more fluid seems to flow through it. And so what you got to do is get a B series power steering pump off an ODB2 engine. So if you jump to, I believe it was like 1998 Acura Integra, and get that power steering pump, it'll bolt up to the GSR engine, and it's got an ODB2, what I would call the ODB2 connector on there, so you can plug that in. And that's how I did that. And that seems to be the easiest way. So to sum it up, and I'll try to put this in the remarks block, got a GSR engine, you're going to probably use a GSR brackets, and you throw away the GSR, well, don't throw it away, but you can't use a GSR power steering pump. Even though it looks like this, you got to get an ODB2 power steering pump that'll fit on a B series engine, and again like a 98, and then it'll all bolt up for you, and you can keep your power steering lines, and the whole thing just bolts right in. So it took me a lot of research and try and error to do this. And you hear a lot of people saying, well, get a power steering pump out of a 99 SI. Well, you can't, I don't know about where you are, but there are no 99 SIs left that I can find. They've all been picked clean, and there wasn't that many to begin with. Anyhow, so I hope this video helps somebody out. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, and I hope this made sense. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Oh, one last thing I want to say is this is just how I did it. This is not the way you're supposed to do it, but this is how I did it. So you have a great day.